Hello, neighbors.
Do you ever wish you could pack your laptop, sit anywhere in the world, and still make money? I've worked online for the past 3 years from the comfort of this my home, and I know exactly which jobs are worth your time. So if you've been thinking to yourself, I want to make money from the comfort of my home, but I don't just know where to start, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 beginner-friendly online jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world. As long as you have your mobile phone, your laptop, and an internet connection, you're good. Let's start with number one, becoming a virtual assistant. What this simply means is you providing virtual help to people from all over the world. If you are in Nigeria, you can work for someone in the US, you can work for someone in the UK, no matter where they are. You're providing assistance for them. Now, I'm not just talking about email management, calendar management only. I'm talking about specialization. You can become a virtual assistant for someone by offering your email marketing skill, by offering your lead generation skill, by just designing landing pages and lead magnets for creators, influencers, and business owners. The barrier to entry is super low. Now, if this is something you're interested in, I have a group coaching program called the VA Simulation Program. I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And we don't just teach you high income skills, we give you strategies and roadmap to landing your first clients. So if this is something you're interested in, comment I am interested, and I'm going to send you the link personally, or use the link in the pinned comment and in the description to sign up. The next online job that you can start with, even as a beginner, is freelance writing or content writing. Content is exploding with AI, but brands will still pay you for the editing and storytelling because you still need to see ChatGPT is garbage in, garbage out. You still need to know what kind of prompts to give ChatGPT in order to get authentic content. So all you need to do is pick a niche: wealth, health, finance, and create your buyer persona. Who are your target audience? What kind of clients do you want to target? Do you want to write for content creators? Do you want to write for business owners? Do you want to write newsletters? Do you want to write blogs for small businesses? Do you want to write blogs for content creators? Do you want to write for entrepreneurs? Do you want to write for professionals? So you have to create your client persona. This way you have direction, you know exactly what you want to offer and who you want to offer it to. This will help you to create a valuable offer that will help you pitch yourself to the brand. Now you might be thinking, I'm just a beginner, I don't know what to write, I don't know where to start. You can start writing on your LinkedIn profile. You can start writing on Medium. You can start writing newsletters on Substack. You can start writing newsletters on Beehive. I personally use Beehive. Why are you doing all of this? So that you can have sample work to show your potential clients. You cannot just say, oh, let me write for you. And then when the person asks, what have you done? You say, I'm just, again, we are always coming prepared on the streets. So if you are my digital neighbor, you've been watching my videos, you know this already. We come prepared. So that is why I am giving you this tip. You want to make sure that you build your portfolio. Once you have the sample work in place, let's say you want to write on Medium, you do that, you keep writing like 3 to 4 posts on Medium, you link it to your portfolio. You can watch this video on how to create your portfolio.
Hey neighbor, I hope you're enjoying today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So before we go further into the video, I just want to tell you something real quick. Do you know that 60.9% of people who watch my channel or videos on my channel have not subscribed yet? Yes, so if you're finding value in this video and any other video you must have watched on my channel, kindly show me some love and support by clicking the subscribe button, and make sure to turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any content on the channel. While at it, give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Another thing I need to tell you is that registration for the next wave of the VA simulation program is open. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up. Don't miss this wave again, neighbor. Show up for yourself this year, okay? If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I am grateful for you. If you're a returning subscriber, I am grateful for you as well. Now let's head back to the video.
The next online job that you can do from anywhere in the world, even as a beginner, is social media management. Everybody wants to be visible online, but do we have a choice? No. No matter what you are selling, whether you're selling water, whether you're selling pepper, salt, you have to show up online. You have to be visible online. Now, people want to be visible. People want their products to be seen. People want their services to be heard of, but they don't know how to post, or they don't want the hustle of posting online daily. They don't know how to manage their account to grow and make them money. This is where you come in as a social media manager. Now, this is one of the skills I teach in the VA simulation program. As a matter of fact, let me share this recent testimonial with you. One of my students got a job as a social media manager. The client is in the US. She shared this with me when she got the job. This was her first payment. And she also shared this with me when her contract was renewed. This can be you in the next 6 weeks. So if you want to become a social media VA, sign up for the VA simulation program. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. The next online job that I have to share with you that you can do from anywhere in the world is online tutoring. I have made so many videos on this channel on this particular topic. This is a video on how you can start teaching math online. This is a video on how you can start teaching English online. So as an online tutor, you can teach English, you can teach math, you can teach coding, you can teach soft skills, you can teach literally anything. You can teach how to bake. Now, this is not just about English and mathematics, but if you want to learn how you can teach, or you need platforms where you can teach English and you know how to teach mathematics as well, I don't. You can watch this video and watch this one on how you can teach English. You can teach how to make up. Literally, you can teach how to make good videos. You can teach how to edit. You can teach how to bake. You can teach how to cook. You can teach literally anything online. You don't even need to be an expert on this. As you are learning, teach it. Intermediate, teach it. Teach why you learn. This is like my mantra: teach why you learn. This is how you become an expert on things. Education is moving digital and people are investing in knowledge. So if you want to work from the comfort of your home, teaching what you love, making money from it, then you should consider online tutoring. Now, I mentioned editing whilst I was talking about the things you can teach, which is one of the online jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world: video editing. You don't need to know how to use Premiere Pro or Adobe, I don't know, all of those softwares. With CapCut, personally, I use InShot. I started video editing with VEd. When I say video editing, not for people, yeah, maybe for some people, but I edit majorly for myself. You just need to know how to use basic editing tools. Watch this video on how you can edit using InShot. The creator economy is booming. A lot of people are creating content online, especially video content. Now they need people to edit those videos. And you can become an editor to a YouTuber, an influencer. You can become an editor to a lifestyle content creator, a podcaster, and edit their podcast videos or cut them into short clips for other platforms. You can become an editor to a beauty influencer, a travel influencer. This is an amazing niche that people are making money from. I know a particular girl that is this is what she does. Like, she edits majorly YouTube videos. Hi neighbor, if you're finding value in this video, kindly give it a like. Subscribe to the channel as well if you've not yet. And by the way, when you like this video, it signals to YouTube that this video is great. We should promote it more, share it to a lot of people. So like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Now, the next online job that you can do from the comfort of your home is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the 7 pillars. I think it's seven. I believe it's seven. 7 pillars of digital marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Super easy. You promote a product. Let's say they are not paying me for this. So let's say this product is $100. The owner of the product say, okay, you promote this product. If you promote this product to me, I will give you 50% of it, which is $50. Now you promote this product. Somebody clicks on your unique link and buy this product. You get $50 for yourself, whilst the owner of the product gets $50. Basically, you promote a product or a service and get a cut from the original price. That is what affiliate marketing is. It's simply we get off our other shop for Nigerians, right? I share everything about affiliate marketing in this video and also in this video. If this is something you're interested in, you should be interested in because this is super dope. You do not have to create your product. You just need to promote other people's products. You get your unique link and then you start promoting. To learn everything about affiliate marketing, watch this free tutorial and this other free tutorial as well. And if you're an affiliate marketer already, you don't know how to promote your product or how to get people to buy, I put together a playbook that will help you promote your product, the kind of messages you should send, where you should promote the product, what you should say for people to click your link. I put everything together in a guide. I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comments. I hope I remember. All right, the next online job that you can do from anywhere in the world is becoming a community manager. What does this mean? Content creators, course creators, influencers are now creating paid communities and they need someone to manage those communities that they are creating. You just need to know how to moderate a group, have a thing for people, people skill, and know how to be organized. This is something you probably have already and you are sitting on it. This is a skill that you can monetize. You didn't just know how until you watch this video. Now, if this video is helpful to you, if you're finding value in this video, I need you to drop a comment for me in the comments saying, thank you, neighbor, for this video. I want to give you a bonus, becoming an online store owner. What does this mean? You create your own digital product and list it on online marketplaces. Personally, I use Seller to list my products. If you're someone who is like, no, I don't want to promote other people's products, I want to promote mine, you can create your digital product and list on marketplaces like Seller, Nosturge, Mainstack, or what's the other one called? Gumroad, Payhip. There are so many of them, but I personally use Seller. And in this video, I've shared with you how you can list your product on Seller from A to Z. And if you want to start selling digital products, this video is what you should watch next. In this video, I shared with you evergreen niches that will never run dry. And if you're someone who is considering to start selling digital products, you should watch these two videos next and check out this playlist as well. Thank you so much for watching, neighbor. I'll see you in any of these videos you choose to watch first. You can start writing on Medium, which is a medium, which is a which, which you can teach. Crochet. This is the remote. You can teach crochet. You do not need. You do not need to know how. You don't need to know. You do not need to know. It's correct, Abby. Oh.